Folks, stop what you're doing. Something just dropped in the smartphone world that has the industry giants absolutely sweating. Everyone keeps saying, what else could smartphones possibly do? Haven't we seen it all? Well, consider those questions officially answered. What I'm holding in my hand right now isn't just a phone, this is the Samsung Galaxy P1 Ultra. The second you hold this thing, you don't just feel a piece of tech, you feel like you're holding the future. Have you ever imagined a device that fits right in your pocket but packs the raw, unadulterated power of a 500 megapixel DSLR? Yeah, you heard that right, 500 megapixels. But hold on, the real magic lies behind the display, it's honestly hypnotic. So, is this phone going to be the absolute game changer that shakes up the entire industry, or is it just another overhyped trend? In today's video, we are peeling back every single layer of this beast. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into this epic journey, let's go. The design and display. Starting with the design, look at this thing, it's pure premium energy. As you can see, the rugged metal finish combined with that intricate gear-detailed camera panel gives it a distinct, cyberpunk, aesthetic. It doesn't look like anything else on the market, it's aggressively futuristic. Now, let's talk about this display. We are looking at a 6.85-inch Infinity OLTPO OLED panel. And when I say bezel-less, I mean it, we're talking absolute zero bezels. No notches, no distractions, just pure, immersive screen. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels like spreading butter on hot toast. To keep this display pristine, Samsung slapped on Gorilla Glass Armor Plus, which completely kills reflections, even under direct, harsh sunlight. And if you're worried about the elements, don't be. With an IP69 rating, this thing is ready to survive dust, water, and anything else you throw at it. The DSLR killer camera. Okay, let's get into the feature that honestly shocked me. The Galaxy P1 Ultra has effectively ended the megapixels race, once and for all. Forget the clutter of having 3 or 4 mediocre lenses on the back, this phone rocks a single, massive signature camera module housing a 500 megapixel, DSLR grade sensor. Just imagine this. You take a quick snap, and you can zoom in until you're practically microscopic, yet the detail remains perfectly sharp. The low light performance is just mind-blowing. It produces results that look like you've brought a full-scale professional studio rig with you. And for the selfie lovers, the 64-megapixel front-facing camera captures every single detail with stunning clarity. This isn't just a camera, it's a portable film studio in your pocket. Performance. To power a beast with this display and a 500-megapixel sensor, you need serious muscle. Inside, we have the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, the undisputed king of mobile processors right now. Whether you are editing 8K video on the fly or cranking the most demanding AAA mobile games to max settings, this phone doesn't even know what the word lag means. Paired with the clean, highly optimized Android 17 interface, this device feels like a rocket ship. Battery life. To keep this monster running all day long, Samsung has packed in a massive 7000 mAh battery. And if you somehow manage to drain it, the 120-watt ultra-fast charging will get you back in the game in just a few minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, the price. According to the latest leaks, this beast is expected to launch in USA at an entry price point of approximately $1,200. In the launch window, we are looking at a massive debut around October or November. So, are you ready to ditch your current phone and upgrade to this 500-megapixel monster? Or do you think Samsung should have focused on something else? Drop a comment below, I want to hear your take. Let's talk about it.